morning everyone. Today's gonna be like a kind of like productive day. It was originally supposed to be like a first day of school vlog, but I woke up late for the first day of school. So it's the second day of school and I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do today and like how virtual classes are going, I guess. Today I have actually a lot of stuff to do, even though my first class is at 10. I wanted to wake up 2 hours early just to get everything done beforehand. So let's just get ready for the day. So it's like 9:40 right now, but I have 20 minutes until my class and I just wanted to show you guys my little outfit. I'm just wearing this like casual tee and then I put on a necklace. So since I have a few minutes before class starts, I just wanted to show you guys my Notion planner that I'm using for college right now. As you can see, I have my courses all put in and as well as my schedule. And then I have this master schedule that I basically put in all my assignments. I still have one more class to put in this, which is why there's only like math and chem in this. I actually got this template from Janice Studies, who I highly recommend checking out. She covers the basics of Notion and how she uses it to plan her classes very well. I just think that this app is super useful and that a lot of college students, as well as just anyone who wants to like organize and plan their life a little bit better, can definitely check this out. And you can use it on both like a tablet, phone, or laptop, just so that it's all organized everywhere. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So class 1 is done. I finished chem at 11:50 and it's currently like 12:10 or something. Yeah, and basically we were just going over like general chem notes and stuff and reviewing stuff all over again. So I just wanted to show you, oh, first of all, isn't this adorable? I made this little little background for my iPad and I feel like it's so cute. So this is basically what I've been doing. Turns out I wasn't recording anything I just said, but it is actually 12:30 in the morning right now. I took a nap after I ate dinner and woke up around like 10ish, and then I was just relaxing and stuff. But I did complete a couple of things off of my to-do list, just planning out my class on Notion, as well as doing like this little like COVID survey or whatever. If you guys are wondering, I am actually wearing blue light glasses. I don't wear prescription glasses at all, but I thought it'd be helpful to have blue light glasses since I do tend to stare at a screen for most of my day, especially now that we're doing online school and stuff. But yeah, I got these on sale from Aldo, and I'll try to find a link for them down below, but I really like them. The frame isn't too weird, it's just like the reflection's like really bad. And I feel like, especially because after a while of staring at your screen and stuff, you definitely get a little bit nauseous and like have headaches and stuff, and I feel like this has helped me a little bit more and like doesn't strain my eyes as much. So yeah, I've been just trying to get a little bit more use out of this, and I like them. Also, since I haven't posted here in a while, you guys haven't seen like my new hair. Obviously it looks really bad right now because I just took a shower and I don't brush my hair like right after I take a shower, but I curled my bangs because I got like little side bangs. I usually do like the regular like straight across bangs, but I really like how the side bangs look. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, just something a little bit different than like just the school stuff I've been sharing so far. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna package the order I need to ship out tomorrow because I wasn't able to do it today. I was just super busy. Hey everyone, so it's 8 a.m. and I'm going on to my Zoom class for calculus right now, and you can tell how tired I am. I just woke up actually. I've been trying to get better at waking up in the morning, like earlier before my class, but I've just been really slacking. It's really hard for me right now, but yeah, let's just go on to my Zoom class. So it is currently 8:30 and we just got out of class early. It's usually supposed to end at 9:50, but I'm kind of glad that we ended up ending class earlier because I just can't do morning classes. I'm really tired, but I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm probably gonna do that. Right now I'm just editing my thumbnail. I feel like since school started, even though it's been like only 3 days, but I feel like since school started, it's been kind of hard for me to focus on like more creative stuff that I've been enjoying recently. I've just been kind of like soaked up into school right now and then at work, so that's kind of just been on my mind recently. But I wanted to share with you guys some stuff that I made. As you guys know, I've been playing Animal Crossing and I just like drawing the characters, and I just wanted to share some of them with you guys. So yeah, that's basically what I've been into recently, just like drawing Animal Crossing characters. But I think now I'm just going to go eat breakfast and finish packing up. The package I have to send out later, I'm just gonna print out the label and everything.